Hello, this is James Berman, and I want you to pass on a bit of an interesting idea of how pirates go about gardening and what it has to do with parrots. You see, we all know that some pirates do have parrots for companion, but the best part about a pirate is that it has to imprint a parrot on right before it. Otherwise, what's the point in having one at all? You see, parrots can come in all shapes and sizes for pirate. And here's the best part. Some pirates have been known to eat seed, and the best part is the pirate can actually train the parrot to plant the seed to maintain the island where he buried his treasure. Until it's safe, because there are other pirates who want to steal it. And here's the best part. Any people who don't want jewelry anymore can just put it in his chest and he can hide it. And that's where the gentle side of pirates can come out from. You see, oh, and here's the best part. A symbiotic relationship with tropical dragons, like Quetzalcoatl, he could bury it in the tropics and it can be guarded by feathered snakes, kind of like a South American dragon or a tropical dragon. Please pass this information along. James Spartman.